at, what is it called? Burgess or Burgess?
I think it's called BURGESS.
Burgess?
BURGESS.
Falls. We're at a waterfall. Colin's here. Say hi to the vlog. Melissa's here. And we're having a nice, adventurous, naturist time.
Let's roll.
Let's go.
It don't feel like that. What? There's nothing wrong with being in a relationship.
This is beautiful. This is beautiful.
If I was a water, I would be a waterfall.
If I was a water.
What is this?
What is this?
Oh, this could be a bridge.
Are you like nervous?
What are we doing? Today is
Saturday.
Saturday.
The 25th.
Is it? It is. Yesterday was 24th.
And we're hiking. Oh, the sun. Oh my gosh. Yes, let's move the camera. The sun is gonna hit for us. Look at the glow.
My little vlogging
Look
ground.
at the glow. Look at that.
Oh! Why is this upside down? Oh. Oh, I didn't know that's what it does.
When I said I was going to reach out to you when I'm ready, that's what I thought I was doing. I wasn't being selfish.
Can we talk?
Yeah, because she's going to put music over it.
Beep these girls! Beep your mama! Today is... Do you want it like this or like this? Like this, sorry.
Today is, no, never. Today is June 25th, and we are hiking at the moment. I just got done off of tour.
Whoa, where'd you go on tour?
I went to the UK and Africa.
She's basically famous.
So I was in the States, yeah.
Okay, if you could pick, would you be a chicken or a goat?
I love both.
I would be a goat.
I would be a goat because I'm the greatest.
Because
of all
I'm
time.
little. Oh, goodness. Is this recording?
I love chicken.
Yeah.
I love chicken.
I do love chickens. I want one of those chickens that have like really nice hair. You know what I'm talking
I
about?
have chickens at the farm.
They don't have hair.
No, there's a chicken that has like super nice hair.
It's feathers.
But now you're getting it. This is so nice. I just love like nature and waterfalls. I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but this was worth it. It makes my heart so happy, like, just to be here. And like you can feel the mist of the waterfall. I love it here. This is so pretty. I love it up here. We're taking pictures right now. It is so pretty. It's so like, it's so refreshing. Like, water is my thing. Like, water is so calming to me. Such as fire too. I love watching fire, but I'm a water person. It's like, it's so, this is it for me.
I know, it's so peaceful.
Damn, you're fresh. Can I yeah, I said, that's what I said, you're going to tell me when to start. You want me to start it now?
Oh, it's already recording. I already have pressed it.
Okay.
You said you were recording? Oh, yeah.
Oh, you.
He's gonna be my vlog, guys. Look at him. Mr. Model.
Turn around.
Yeah.
Walk that way.
Walk. Do your model walk.
Yeah, just walk.
Yeah. That's no, but look at him though. Look at him. Oh, he's getting shy now. Aww.
That actually scared me.
So this is Melissa. She's hiking today.
Trying to get away from all my fans and shit.
Yeah.
Somewhere where nobody knows me.
Yeah. So we're.
Melissa, is that
This
you?
is this is rare footage.
Yes, it is.
Oh wait, she just met up with a fan here.
Gosh,
Can I have your autograph?
bro, you can have a hug.
I'm never taking this off.